In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and automate your job search in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable system that captures every application, keeps your follow-ups on schedule, and gives you a clear picture of your progress. Start by creating a new base in Airtable and name it Job Search Tracker. Think of this as your command center. Open the base and begin in a grid view so it's easy to add and review information. Next, set up your applications table with the core fields you'll use again and again. Add fields for company and job title as short text so you can type in details quickly. Add job link as a URL field so you can click straight to the posting without hunting through your browser history. Create application date as a date field to record when you applied. These basics ensure every record has the essentials. Now, create a single select field called status. Add options to represent the stages of your pipeline: interested, applied, interview, offer, and rejected. Color coding. These options can make your pipeline feel visual at a glance. As your applications move forward, you'll update this field to reflect reality. Add a few important details you'll rely on later. Create contact person as a text field and email as an email field, so you have a direct line to your recruiter or hiring manager. Add notes as a long text field for things like role highlights, interview prep points, and outcomes. Finally, create follow-up date as a date field. This is your gentle nudge to check in after submitting an application or completing an interview. With your structure in place, create a few focused views to filter what matters most. Build an applied jobs view that shows records where status is applied, so you can see everything waiting for a response. Create an interviews view filtered to status as interview, perfect for preparing and tracking next steps. Then set up a follow-ups view that shows records where follow-up date is today or upcoming, and sort by the earliest date first. Use that follow-up date field to power your reminders. If you prefer nudges, you can set a simple automation in Airtable to alert you on the date you've chosen, or sync the base to a calendar so your follow-ups appear alongside your schedule. Each time you apply or hear back, update the status and jot quick notes. This habit keeps your tracker accurate and insightful. Finally, review your views regularly. A quick daily scan keeps you organized. A weekly review helps you spot patterns and prioritize next steps. Thanks for watching.